Hi folks, it's Björn here, and in my last video, everything you need to know about personal finance, I was mentioning that the bread and butter to get your personal finance in check is to open a checking account and not live from paycheck to paycheck. Therefore, I make you a list of the 3 best online banks, which are a mix of best of checking accounts and overall performance of an online bank. But remember, they are all legit banks and not promoted in any form and not affiliated. So I don't get any money or anything like that. Now, it's just based on my research and on my opinion and the opinions of the customers itself. It's just me trying to help and enjoying making videos for you guys. So like the video and subscribe to the channel and let the YouTube algorithm know what's going on here. So, but why an online bank and not a brick and mortar bank? Well, unlike traditional bank accounts, online accounts reward you with a higher interest rate and your money grows even faster thanks to the compound interest, which lets you earn interest on interests. The higher your annual percentage yield, APY, the faster your money grows and you get a better return than you would with a traditional account from a brick and mortar bank. The national average APY on a checking account is just 0.04%. Imagine that, according to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. That's over 100 times less than what the highest yield checking accounts offer, what I'm telling you today. And as the inflation rate was last year 0.62%, but this year's estimate is 2.3%, we need to get a higher API as 2.3% theoretically just to compensate the inflation, which means your money is worth less in 2021 than it was last year. Ergo, you can buy less for your buck than last year. But remember, the best checking accounts or online bank have features that closely match your habits and preferences for managing your daily financial transactions. That means finding an account with a healthy mix of low fees, low minimums and nearby ATMs, interest earnings or high APYs, and overall experience matter as well. Therefore, I did not include any bank below 1 APY and all have no additional fees. When shopping for a checking account, however, keep in mind the features that are most important to you, alright? And at the end of the video, I will tell you as well what are the most important things to consider when choosing an online bank. Doesn't matter which country you are living in. So, but enough talking and let's start with the first bank. The Axos Bank is a full-service online bank offering up to 1.25 APY. The popular online bank was founded in 2000 under the name Bank of Internet USA. In 2018, it changed to its current name. Along with banking products, its services include various lending options, investment portfolios, and business and commercial banking solutions. There are currently 5 checking account options with the Axos Bank. The Essential Checking, this is a non-interest bearing checking account with no monthly fees. Accounts come with unlimited domestic ATM reimbursements, and Essential Checkings has no minimum deposit requirement. The Rewards Checking offers 3 tiers of interest, earning up to 1.25% APY total. Balances above $150,000 do not earn any interest, so keep that in mind if you're rich already. The checking account only requires a $50 initial deposit and charges no monthly maintenance fees. Customers also receive unlimited domestic ATM reimbursements, and the cashback checking It's rare to find a checking account that earns cashback, but that's what you'll find at the Axos Bank. Customers earn up to 1% cashback on all signature-based purchases. Cashback checking accounts also feature no monthly fees, unlimited domestic ATM reimbursements, and unlimited check writing privileges. The golden checking is designed for individuals 55 years and older. Golden checking is an interest-bearing account that earns 0.20 APY on all balances. It comes with 3 checks and only requires a $50 initial deposit to open an account. Customers also get up to $8 in domestic ATM reimbursements each month. The first checkings. This checkings account is designed for kids ages 13 to 17 years old to serve as an introduction to banking. This checkings account earns 0.25% APY on all balances and features up to $12 in domestic ATM reimbursements each month. First checkings doesn't have any monthly fees, but it does have a daily transaction limit of $100 in cash and a $500 debit. The savings account comes as well with the Axos Bank, and the Axos Bank's high yield savings account offers higher rates than you find at many brick and mortar banks. The savings account currently earns 0.61% APY on all balances. Opening an account requires a $250 deposit, but there are no balance requirements beyond that initial amount. There are no monthly maintenance fees either. Customers can even request a free ATM card, which is really rare for a savings account. So, but what about the pros and the cons? Well, the pros for me. The Axos Bank has competitive rates on savings and money market accounts. No monthly fees on deposit accounts, has checkings account options, unlimited ATM fee reimbursements on many accounts, and for the cons, I couldn't really find any. That basically sums up the Axos Bank. But now let's have a look at the bank with the highest APY, the Consumers Credit Union, based in Gurney. The credit union, founded in the 1930s, offers an array of products for consumers, including checking accounts, saving accounts, certificates, CDs, home loans, auto loans, and credit cards. Perhaps the most notable aspect of the Consumer Credit Union products is the APYs, the annual percentage yields, for its rewards checkings accounts. They are among the highest interest rates available for checkings accounts in the US, although there are some strings attached. While it maintains branches only in Illinois, Consumer Credit Union (CCU) welcomes customers from throughout the nation. The required membership in Consumer Cooperative Association is available to all for $5 membership fee. The checking account. If you are looking to stash up to $10,000 in an interest-bearing checking account, CCU supplies several appealing options. The credit union's basic no-fee checking account offers no interest yet no minimum balance. Its rewards checkings accounts to provide interest. The rewards accounts require a minimum initial deposit of $5 to maintain your membership, basically. Depending on which requirements you meet, a CCU rewards checkings account pays, attention, 0.01% up to 4.09%. The top 3 tiers of this type of account offer APYs exceeding many competing savings accounts and checkings accounts. The APYs for the top 3 tiers apply to balances of $10,000 or less. Above $10,000 up to $25,000, the APY for all 3 tiers is 0.20%. if the balance is higher than 25,000, the APY for those three tiers is 0.10%. So it makes no sense to have more than 10k on this account, obviously. The basic requirements for rewards checking accounts include, attention, 12 debit card purchases per month, ACH deposits, direct deposits or mobile check deposits totaling at least $500 each month. Next one would be enrollment and e-documents. Meeting these basic requirements will result in monthly AAM fees being refunded. To qualify for the 4.09% APY, an account holder must meet the basic requirements and make at least $1,000 in purchases per month on a CCU Visa credit card. At the 3.09 level, the requirements are the same, except the threshold for monthly credit card purchases are $500. To earn the 2.09% APY, you must meet only the basic requirements. For a rewards account that fails to meet even the basic requirements, the APY is 0.01%. So, what are the pros and the cons here? Well, the pros here: CCU is open to consumers nationwide for a $5 membership fee, which can be seen as well as a con, but I list it as a pro because we have a nationwide service here. The next one would be the bank has high APYs for rewards checking. Another is access to more than 5,000 shared credit union branches and has access to more than 30,000 ATMs. The cons. Well, perhaps you realized I did not mention the savings account. That's because it's not worth mentioning. Other than that, we have as well that you need to meet the requirements to earn the high APYs for the rewards checking. So, the conclusion is that this bank is something if you want to have the highest APY available, but let me know in the comment box below if you know other banks with low fees and high APIs. Right, let's have a look at the last but not least, the Varo Bank. Varo's online checking account, known as the Varo Bank account, doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees, and you don't need to keep a minimum balance in your account. A government issued ID and social security number are required for sign up, just like each other bank, but no minimum deposit is required to open your account. And you must be 18 years old and have a device that can access the Varo mobile app. Varo offers no fee overdraft, which allows you to overdraw your checking account by up to $50 when making a debit card purchase. There are no fees or interest charges, but you do have to meet the requirements to be eligible. So, you must make 5 debit purchases per month and you must receive a payroll or government direct deposit of at least $1,000 per month. And you must enroll in no fee overdraft in the Varo app before the features is activated. If you overdraft your account, you have 30 calendar days to pay the amount back, which Varo automatically takes from your next direct deposit. You can send money to the other Varo users without fees with the Varo to Varo instant transfer feature. At this time, important, you can't use your Varo account to make wire transfers, which is a con, but on the other side, it helps you to save some money and not sending it away. So, actually a win-win, or what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Once you open a Varo bank account, you have the option to open a Varo savings account. There's no minimum deposit to get started on and no minimum account balance you must maintain. If you have at least a penny in your savings account, you are eligible to earn interest. The account currently offers a 0.40% annual percentage yield APY, Varo offers an option to earn a substantially higher APY of 2.80% after meeting certain monthly requirements. To qualify for the higher rate, each month you must make at least 5 qualifying debit card purchases and receive direct deposits of $1,000 or more from a payroll or government sources, and maintain a daily account balance of no more than $10,000. 2 automatic saving tools are available in conjunction with the Varo Bank account. Save Your Pay lets you set up recurring transfer from checking to savings each time you receive a direct deposit payment. You choose the percentage of your payment you want to move to savings, which is great thing. And the same I said in my personal finance video. Pay yourself first at the beginning of the month and transfer a certain amount of money to your savings account. The other one is Save Your Change rounds up your checkings transaction to the nearest dollar and moves the extra cents to your savings account. So let's check the pros and the cons here. Well, the pros. No minimum balance required to open an account. It has attractive savings APYs, significantly higher rate if you meet the requirements. Access to large all-point ATM network. And that's about it, about the pros. So let's come to the cons. Well, the high yield savings account only available to checkings account holders, which is a big deal in my opinion. And the 24/7 customer service is not available if you have an account issue. And that's basically it for the Varo Bank. And as promised, here's some tips what to consider in order to choose the right online bank. Doesn't matter which country you are living in. Well, on first, the fees. Pesky fees can quickly eat into your overall bank balance. So look for an online bank that keeps fees of all types to a minimum. That includes monthly fees, overdraft fees, and ATM fees. It's even better if the bank reimburses for third-party ATM charges. So analyze your banking behavior to figure out which fees you need to worry about the most. You can often avoid fees with the right bank. The second would be the APYs. If you're looking to get the most for your money, find a bank that pays competitive APYs on its financial products. Online banks tend to pay higher rates, so do some comparison shopping to get the best rates you can, like watching my video. So as well, check out the minimums. Lower minimum deposits and balance requirements generally make it easier to maintain an account. Find an online bank with minimum requirements that meet your financial comfort level. The products. The online bank you choose depends heavily on the products you need. Some online banks are full-service financial institutions offering checking, savings, and money market accounts, CDs, and other products. The next one is the ATM network. If having access to cash is important, look for an online bank that offers an extensive fee-free ATM network. Check the bank site to make sure there are ATMs close to your location or in the areas where you travel most. And the most important is as well the customer experience. Online banks typically don't offer branch access. If they do, it's often limited. That's why it's essential to keep customer support in mind when shopping for an online bank. So look for a bank that offers easily accessible customer service representatives or online chat alternatives. Digital banking experience. Convenience is crucial in the world of digital banking. With an online bank, Your primary interaction takes place via banks' website and mobile apps. The best online banks provide a simple online interface and highly rated mobile apps for banking on the go. Check out the reviews of the mobile apps and on the App Store and Google Play. But, however, before signing up to any bank, please do your own research. Alright? Well, that's been said. That's for today. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Focus and don't get greedy. See you next time.